Hey Monsterville, where you been, loca? We have arrived. We landed in Punta Cana and now we're gonna go to our luggage pickup to then get picked up by our driver. I was focused on something. Bye.
¿Habla español? 32.7.
Okay.
Acá está el
Why are you recording? Oh.
Right now she's just filling out the information sheet, and then under it's also the COVID information, I believe, so we can schedule it during our stay.
Thank you. Babe.
Thank
These
you.
are welcome drinks. Cheers. Okay, so instead of writing, I just figured that I'd do a voiceover. So I'm very excited here. He is giving us a tour and he's walking around the premise, showing us where certain things are, such as this is the lobby, as you can see. And now we're going to the theater room where all of the night activities, or at least most of the night activities, take place. He's walking us now, and I'm doing the voiceover because he's speaking in Spanish. So here's a little lobby. To the right is where you do all the tour guides activities. Okay, so we're proceeding. And here is the auditorium. Very spacious. Does not have air conditioner, by the way. I'm going to insert a clip of one of the activities that took place, which was karaoke, and it was very, very fun. Okay, so we're walking back and he's showing us across from this is the discotheque, the disco. You could barely see it, but it was very fun. So the club is open only until 1 o'clock in the morning, and that is from Thursday to Sunday. Just for your information, here is the area where you make the reservations for the restaurants. It's right below the lobby, and straight ahead, I'll insert a clip later on, is where you go to get the buffet and everything else. Here we're being picked up and driven to our room. We have a swim up. Unfortunately, I thought that by having a swim up, we would have access to the preferred side, which is a pool and a rooftop infinity pool, but we didn't. For that, you need $50 additional. So he's taking us to our room. Okay. Claro. Este caballero cumpleaños el miércoles. We are here. I'm excited. Hold it up. Look at this, guys. Ooh. Welcome. Packages.
Entonces, aquí ustedes tienen una caja fuerte, pueden indicarle cómo se funciona. Deben tener esto todo el tiempo ahí dentro.
No puedes
La caja fuerte, 4 dígitos que ustedes elijan, los 4 de su preferencia. Por ejemplo, 1, 2, 3, 4. Presionen ese, cerraron y para abrir igual. 1, 2, 3, 4.
¿O se puede cambiar cada vez?
Sí,
claro. Ok,
vez.
entiendo.
Exacto.
Okay.
El room service marquen el 0 y ellos les notifican.
Okay.
La tarjeta de las toallas son estas. La carmen en el edificio que está al frente.
Ok.
Bueno, pues ya ustedes saben que disfruten.
Ok, gracias.
Un placer.
Ven.
Oh, gracias, hermano. Buen día.
Let's see this. I am, whoops. All right, this is the bathroom. Ooh, only one sink, but oh, look what we have here, the toilet. Sure. All right, got a blower. You have us, the guests, a mirror.
A sunken shower. No door.
Nice. But the best part is to come. All right. So we have a screen TV, a flat screen TV. We have coffee machine. Oh, we have, it is empty. I need some beer and some stuff, so we got to call. We should have had some water there. Yeah, I mean, she did do us a favor to check us in beforehand because she noticed I was vlogging. And it's his birthday, so this is what we're looking at. I'm not mad at this at all. Say hi, boy. Oh my God, this is so lit. Yes, I like this. All right. How you feeling?
Hot.
I like this. The AC is booming. It is bumping. We got a king size. I did request for them to give us a king size because I noticed that you can get like a double, which is like 2 queen size beds. And I'm not even mad at that, but at the end of the day, we don't really need 2 beds. There's only 2 of us. So here we have a couch, little desk, telephone, some lights. And now we're gonna get ready and go to eat and to the pool. Bye. Good morning, guys. So I forgot to record yesterday, so we're gonna take you now to the breakfast area so we can show you what they have. Follow.
Hello, sir.
So after that delicious breakfast, now we're going to walk to the sports bar to chill out under the air conditioner while we wait because we have to leave the premise today. We're going to another resort because we're getting married next year. So we have some time to kill. This is what everything is looking like right now. Those slides were really fun. I'll probably record myself later on going down. Get ready for that. It's really warm here. It's September and it feels like July. Like right now it's 9:40 and it feels like it's 95 degrees, which I'm not complaining, but look at his face. He's so red. It's only our third day here. We have one more day to go and today, so yeah, our skin is taking its toll. All right, so we're just walking by. So as I said, there's a pool over there, there's a pool here, the slides, and then in front of the sports bar there's another pool. And this is also the area where you pick up your fresh towels. Okay, there's also a kids playground. The beach doesn't look all that because of hurricane season and lots of tropical storms. There's a lot of algae pushed up to the shore, so we haven't really been to the beach. But they do have lots of seating areas and, you know, plenty of that. But the beach is just a little dark. It doesn't really look like what it regularly looks like. All right, so here is the sports bar. And this is where we're gonna be hanging out until it's time for us to go. I'll probably show you guys the other pool before I go to the sports bar. Alright, let's go. Alright, here we are. This is the pool. All the bars in the pool are closed, by the way. So here we go. That's another restaurant. Last night we had hibachi. I'll insert a clip. It was so good and entertaining and tasty. Okay, so this is the sports bar. It's early, so there's nobody here. They have a bar. They have these little machines, and they have pool. You have to pay $2. But behind this building, there's another building, and they have basketball. They have table tennis. They have chess, like the really big chess, and I'll show you guys a video later on. I just feel like I need to share. For the COVID test, it was $35 US, and you know, we never really got asked to show these results, especially not here in the US, so I'm not entirely sure what that's about, but thought I'd share. Happy birthday.
Thank you, baby.
Happy birthday to you. Help.